A plus C equal to 2B. Then cos C minus cos A by sin A minus sin C plus A. Simple sum. Cos C minus cos A can use cos C minus cos D formula. And this is sin C minus sin D formula. So cos C minus cos D formula is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D formula. Minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 we know. As usually sin C minus sin D is denominator. Formula is sin C minus sin D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So use these two formulae. Implies cos C minus cos D means 2 cos minus 2 sin C plus D means C plus A by 2 into sin C minus D minus C minus A by 2 by sin C minus sin D 2 cos C plus D by 2 and 2 cos A plus C by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 means A minus C or C minus A one and same in cos. So cos of C minus A by 2. 2 cancel. I can write A minus C also here because in cos of minus theta is minus cos theta. So that doesn't matter. If I want I can write as A minus C also. Because this is cos doesn't matter. Now in place of C plus A I can write 2B. In place of A plus C I can write 2B. So this becomes minus sin. This is sin. So in place of C plus A I am writing 2B. So this becomes 2B by 2B into, if I take minus common this becomes plus sin of A minus C by 2 by cos of A plus B by C by 2 is 2B by 2 becomes B into, this is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So this is sin of A minus C by 2. So sin A minus C by 2, sin A minus C by 2 cancel. Sin B by cos B becomes tan B. Sin B by cos B becomes tan B. Implies our option is D. Our option is D. If A plus B equal to C, implies cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C minus 2 cos A cos B cos C is asked. There are two ways of doing. One is cos square A you can write as 1 minus cos 2A by 2 cos square B 1 minus cos 2B by B 2 1 minus cos 2C by C you can write like that. Another way is this cos square I can write as 1 minus sin square. So I am using that. Cos square A plus cos square B I am writing it as 1 minus sin square B. Cos square B I am writing it as 1 minus sin square B plus cos square C minus 2 cos A cos B cos C as is. Now see what happens. This one I will write in the beginning. Now cos square A minus sin square B we know the formula cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B plus cos square C as is minus 2 cos A cos B cos C as is. Now instead of A plus B I can write C. Implies this is equal to 1 plus cos C into cos of A minus B plus cos square C minus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Now from these two I can take cos C common. So becomes 1 plus cos C common if I take, the left out is cos of A minus B. This is plus cos C minus 2 cos A cos B cos C as is. Now instead of C I can write again A plus B. So this becomes 1 plus cos C into cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B formula you know, 2 cos A cos B. So So this is 2 cos A cos B cos C as it is. Now this is 2 cos A cos B. So it becomes 1 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C minus 2 cos A cos B cos C as it is. So these two gets cancelled, left out is 1. So our final result is option A1. Option A1. Here cos square B I am writing it as 1 minus sin square B. Only simple thing. Now I am writing 1 in the beginning. Cos square A minus sin square B formula we know, cos A plus B into cos A minus B plus cos square C minus 2 cos A cos B cos C as it is. Now from the here in place of A plus B I can substitute C. So I am substituting C. Cos C into cos A minus B plus cos square C minus cos A cos B cos C. From these two I am taking cos C common. Left out is cos of A minus B plus cos C minus as it is. And 1 plus cos C into cos A minus B. In place of C, from the given condition I can substitute A plus B and I am substituting. Now left out minus cos 2 cos A cos B cos C as it is. Now this is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, 2 cos A cos B into cos C becomes 1 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C minus 2 cos A cos B cos C. 2 cos A cos B cos C cancel. Left out is 1. So our option is A. If alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 2 theta, then is asking cos theta plus cos theta minus alpha plus cos theta minus beta plus cos theta minus gamma. So take two terms. These two as cos C plus cos T. These two as cos C plus cos T. First two cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 means theta plus theta minus alpha means 2 theta minus alpha by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Theta minus theta plus alpha becomes alpha by 2. Theta cancel. Plus coming to here also. 2 cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2. Theta plus theta. 2 theta minus beta minus gamma by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Theta cancel. Gamma minus beta by 2. C minus D by 2. Now from here instead of 2 theta minus alpha, if I am bringing this alpha to this side, 2 theta minus alpha is beta plus gamma only. So here I can write beta plus gamma, or you write as 2 theta minus alpha as it is. In place of beta plus gamma, 2 theta minus alpha. So what I want to say is 2 cos, this is beta plus gamma. 2 theta minus alpha is beta plus gamma by 2 into cos alpha by 2 plus 2 cos here 2 cos 2 theta minus beta minus gamma is alpha. So this becomes alpha by 2 into cos of alpha gamma minus beta by 2 or beta minus gamma by 2, doesn't matter. From these two I can write 2 cos alpha by 2 common. 2 cos alpha by 2 common if I take. Left out is here cos of beta plus gamma by 2 plus cos of gamma minus beta, beta minus gamma, one and same in cos. Because cos of minus theta is plus cos theta here. That's why I am taking minus gamma and I am writing beta minus gamma by 2. Now this is cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta. 2 cos A cos B means 2 cos alpha by 2 into this bracket part is 2 cos A cos B means 2 cos beta by 2 into cos gamma by 2. So our final result is 2 into 2, 4 cos alpha by 2 cos beta by 2 cos gamma by 2. Simple one. So what I am doing is taking first 2, I am applying cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 means theta plus theta, 2 theta minus alpha by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 means theta minus theta plus alpha, theta cancel, so alpha by 2. Similarly here also, this is cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2, theta plus theta, 2 theta minus beta minus gamma by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, theta minus theta cancel, minus beta plus gamma, gamma minus beta by 2. Now from both I am taking here 2 theta minus beta minus gamma is alpha. So 2 theta minus alpha is beta plus gamma. So wherever beta plus gamma What I want to say is this implies beta plus gamma is always equal to 2 theta minus alpha. So this beta plus 2 theta minus alpha, I am writing it as beta plus gamma. Here beta plus gamma, I am writing it as 2 theta minus alpha. 2 theta cancel, alpha by 2. Now 2 cos alpha by 2 common. So this is cos of beta plus gamma by 2. Plus cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So I am writing cos of beta minus gamma by 2. Now cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 cos A cos B. 2 into 2, 4 cos alpha by 2, cos B beta by 2, cos gamma by 2 is the final answer. Cos x by cos x minus 2y equal to lambda. Then he is asking tan x minus y into tan y equal to. By seeing itself, we can say this lambda by 2, apply componendo and dividendo. So I am going for applying componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo implies a by b equal to c by d implies a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. Means cos x plus cos of x minus 2y by c minus a minus b means cos of x minus cos of x minus 2y equal to c plus d means lambda plus 1 by c minus d lambda minus 1. Now this is cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 means 2x plus 2y by 2. 2x means x plus x, 2x minus 2y by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2 means x minus x plus 2y by 2. X cancel, 2y by 2 is left out. By cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 minus 2x minus 2y by 2 into cos of c minus sin of c minus d by 2 means x minus of minus plus 2y by 2 as usually. 2 cancel, here also 2 cancel, becomes lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. 2 cancel. Now if I take 2 common, 2 cancel, 2 common, 2 cancel, cos by sin is cot, so this becomes minus cot of x minus y into this is cot of y, cos by sin is cot y equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. Lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. This minus if I give on that side, can I write as 1 minus lambda? Now I need tan in terms of cot, means 1 by reciprocal I will write. 1 by tan is cot. So if I write the reciprocal, what I get? Tan of x minus y into tan of x plus tan y equal to 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. So our option is second option, 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. Cos x by cos of x minus 2y is giving. So I am applying componendo dividendo. Cos x plus cos x minus 2y by cos x minus cos of x minus 2y equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. So cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now 2 by 2 cancel, 2 cancel. This is cos by sin is cot. So cot x minus y into cot y equal to lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1. So this minus I am giving on that side becoming 1 minus lambda. So if I write the reciprocal, tan x plus y into tan y equal to 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. So our option is second option. Our option is second option. Cos x minus y, cos x plus y are in HP. Then 1 plus cos y equal to is asking. These are in HP means if A, B, C are in HP, what is the condition we know? 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C, or B equal to 2AC by 1 plus A plus C. B equal to 2AC by 1 plus C. Because A, B, C are in HP means 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So using that I am using B equal to means cos C, cos x equal to 2ac 2 into cos x minus y into cos x plus y by a plus c means cos of x minus y plus cos of x plus y. Now 2 cos a plus b cos 2 into cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula, you know, cos square a minus sin square b means cos square x minus sin square y or cos square y minus sin square x, anything. So 2 into cos square x minus sin square y I am writing. Now cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. I know the formula 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos x into cos y. By cross 2 cancel and bringing this to this side becomes cos square x into cos y. I am doing cross multiplication. Cos x into cos x, cos square x, cos y equal to cos square x minus cos square y. Bringing all cos square x to one side because I need 1 plus cos y value. So bringing all cos square y x to one side and remaining to other side. What I want to say is, and I think this is sin square y, sorry. This is sin square y. So all cos square x to one side means this cos square x cos y to that side, sin square y to this side. So becomes sin square y equal to cos square x minus cos square x cos y. Now I can take cos y common from this, cos square x common from this becomes 1 minus cos y. And this sin square y I can write as 1 minus cos square y. Sin square y I can write as 1 minus cos square y. Now from here, this is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b I can write, means 1 plus cos y into a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus cos y equal to cos square x into 1 minus cos y. 1 minus cos y, 1 minus cos y cancel. So 1 plus cos y equal to what is left out? Cos square x. So our option is option A. Option A. Is giving these three are in HP harmonic progression. Means A, B, C are in HP condition is 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. If you simplify that, you will get B equal to 2AC by A plus C. So I am using that. B equal to means middle one equal to cos x equal to 2AC, 2 into cos x minus y into cos x plus y by A plus C, cos x minus y plus cos x plus y. Now cos A plus B into cos A minus B, cos square A minus sin square B formula I am writing. Now cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cancels. Now this cos x cos y to this side is already cos x is there. By cross multiplication this becomes cos into cos, cos square x into cos y equal to left out this side is cos square x minus sin square y. Cos square x minus sin square y. Now what I am doing is this sin square y to this side and this whole part to that side. So becomes sin minus sin square y comes to this side plus sin square y and this plus goes to this side minus cos square x cos y. From these two I am taking cos square x common. One limit remaining is 1 minus cos y. And this side sin square y I am writing it as 1 minus cos square y. This is 1 square. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b I am writing. So becomes cos square x into 1 minus cos y. Cancelling 1 minus cos y, 1 minus cos y both sides because giving cos y not equal to 1. So I am cancelling these two. Left out is cos square x equal to 1 plus cos y. Is asking 1 plus cos y is how much? 1 plus cos y equal to how much I got? Cos square x. So our option is A, cos square x. 2 as 6. Cos A equal to 3 by 4 implies 32 sin A by 2 into 32 sin 5A by 2 is asking. This 32 sin A by 2 into sin 5A by 2 I will write as 32 16 into 2 32 sin A by 2 sin 5A by 2 I wrote. Now this is 2 sin A sin B means cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. 2 sin A sin B formula is cos A minus B means A by 2 minus 5A by 2, 4A by 2 becomes 2A. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta only minus cos A plus B means A by 2 plus 5A by 2, 6A by 2 means 3A I am writing. Now 16 into, I know cos 2A formula in terms of cos because I know cos A value. So I know cos 2a formula in terms of cos, cos 3a formula in terms of cos, right? Then I will go for cos a value. That is one way of doing. Simple way. So what I want to say is cos a formula, in terms of cos is 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1 minus of cos 3a formula. What is cos 3a formula? 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now substituting all the values, this is 2 into cos a is 3 by 4. So 2 into 3 by 4 whole square, 9 by 16 minus 1 part minus, this is 4 into cos cube a means 3 by 4 whole cube, 27 by 64, 27 by 4 cube 64 minus 3 cos a, 3 into 3 by 4. So this is 416 I can cancel here. 8 I can cancel here. So what is left out? 16 whole into LCM of these two is 8. Or I will take LCM of 16 for all. So I will take 16 LCM for all. You can understand easily, I think. This is 9 by 8. So 9 2 is 18 minus 1 into 16 16 minus 27 minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36. So this becomes 16 gets cancelled. Left out is 18 plus 36, 54 minus 16 minus 27, 43. So this is equal to 54 minus 43, 11. So our option is D. Our option is D. See, he is giving cos a 3 by 4. He is asking 32 sin a by 2, sin 5a by 2. I don't know this value, how to find. So I am converting this 32 as 16 into 2. Now I got 2 sin a sin b formula. I know 2 sin a sin b, cos a plus b. 2 sin a sin b formula yesterday only we discussed. Cos of a plus b plus minus cos of a minus b is minus 2 sin a sin b. To take off this minus, I am writing this as a minus b minus cos of a plus b. And small change in the formula. This minus I took off. So 2 sin a sin b is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. That formula I am using. Cos a minus b means a minus 5a by 2. 4a by 2 is 2a. Minus cos a plus b, a by 2 plus 5a by 2, 6a by 2 is 3a. Now cos 2a in terms of cos formula is 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 3a in terms of cos is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So I know cos a value, substituted, simplified, final answer is 11. So my option is D. Cos x plus cos y plus cos alpha equal to 0. Sin x plus sin y plus sin alpha equal to 0. Then he is asking cot of x plus y by 2. He is asking cot of x plus y by 2 value. Simple sum. So take cot x plus cot y equal to cos alpha plus cos alpha goes to that side, minus cos alpha, easy to write. Now this is cos c plus cos d, means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 means x minus y by 2 equal to minus cos alpha. Let it be equation 1. And from the second given equation, sin x plus sin y equal to plus sin alpha goes to that side, minus sin alpha. Now sin c plus sin d, I know the formula, 2 sin c plus d by 2 means x plus y by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 means x minus y by 2 equal to minus sin alpha. So this is equation 2. Now if I do 2 divided by 1, 2 cancel, cos x minus y by 2, x minus y by 2 cancel, sin by cos is tan. I need cot means 1 by 2. So if I do 1 divided by 2 becomes 2 cancel, cos by sin, cot x plus y by 2. This cos cancel. So minus minus cancel. So cos alpha by sin alpha. Left out is cot alpha. So final result simply cot alpha. Option B. Option D. Cos C plus cos D formula I am using 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And this is sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Plus cos alpha to that side plus cos sin alpha to that side. Now if I do 1 divided by 2, 2 cancel. Cos x plus 5 by 2 by sin x plus 5 by 2 becomes cos by sin is cot x plus 5 by 2. Cos x minus 5 by 2, cos x minus 5 by 2 cancel. And minus minus cancel, cos by sin is cot alpha. Tan theta 1 equal to k into cot theta 2. Then is asking cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 minus theta 2. So first I will bring this cot to this side. Becomes tan theta 1 by cot theta 1 2 equal to k. This tan I can write is sin by cos. So sin theta 1 by cos theta 1. Cot I can write cos by sin. If I write reciprocal, cos theta 2 by means by cos by sin. Reciprocal if I write sin theta 2 by cos theta 2. This is cos by sin. I am writing reciprocal because it is in denominator. So I am writing it as sin by cos is equal to k by 1. Now this is a by b equal to c by d. I can go for componendo dividendo. Applying componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo means a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d means sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 plus cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 by sin theta 1 into sin theta 2 minus cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 equal to k plus 1 by k minus 1. Now this is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b means cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by this is, if I take minus common, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b means minus cos of a plus b theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to k plus 1 by k minus 1. If I give this minus to that side, then I can write 1 minus k instead of k minus 1. But I need cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 means reciprocal implies cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 equal to reciprocal of this means k 1 minus k by k plus 1 or 1 plus k, but doesn't matter. So our option is B. Our option is B. First I am bringing cot theta 2 to this side, becoming tan theta 1 by cot theta 2 equal to k. Now this tan I can write as sin by cos, sin theta 1 by cos theta 1. Cot I can write cos by sin, but into I am writing, so I am writing reciprocal directly. Sin theta 2 by cos theta 2 equal to k by 1. Now this is a by b equal to c by d. I am applying componendo dividendo. A plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. Now this is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos of a minus b. If I take minus common in the denominator, this becomes plus, this becomes minus, means cos of a plus b formula. So cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 minus of this minus I am giving on that side. Instead of k minus 1 I am writing 1 minus k. Now I need reciprocal means cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by theta 1 minus theta 2. So reciprocal is 1 minus k by 1 plus k. So our option is B.